If you're planning a long road trip but your trunk is already packed to the limit, you know the frustration of leaving important gear behind. Whether it's camping equipment, extra luggage, or sports gear, space disappears fast. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 roof cargo carriers for long trips to help you maximize storage, protect your belongings, and travel stress-free. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more honest automotive reviews. Check the links in the description for the best available deals, and drop a comment sharing your road trip experiences or which carrier you'd choose. Starting at number 5, we have the Asinking Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. This rooftop cargo bag is designed to provide large capacity storage for vehicles with or without roof racks. It features heavy-duty waterproof material, reinforced seams, and a weather-resistant zipper with protective flaps to help keep your belongings dry. The bag is built with adjustable straps and door hooks for secure attachment, and it folds down for compact storage when not in use. Its soft shell construction allows it to accommodate irregularly shaped items while maximizing available space on your roof. In real-world use, the Asinking carrier stands out for drivers who want an affordable and flexible solution for occasional trips. It's easy to install, doesn't require complicated hardware, and works well for family vacations or camping weekends. The soft design makes loading bulky duffel bags simple, and when you're done, you can fold it up and store it in your garage without taking much space. One minor drawback is that, like many soft bags, it may require extra care when tightening straps to prevent wind noise, but overall, it's a solid value choice. At number 4, we have the MeeFar Car Roof Bag XBEEK Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. This rooftop carrier offers generous storage capacity and is constructed from heavy-duty 100% waterproof material with welded seams to enhance water resistance. It includes an anti-slip mat, reinforced straps, door hooks, and a luggage lock for added security. The bag is designed to fit most vehicles, with or without roof racks, and features a wide opening with a waterproof zipper covered by a protective flap to shield your cargo from rain, snow, and road debris. What makes the MeeFar XBEEK impressive is the complete accessory package that comes with it. The anti-slip mat helps keep the bag stable at highway speeds, while the included lock adds peace of mind when you're parked overnight. It's ideal for families heading out on long-distance trips who want extra protection against harsh weather. The overall build quality feels dependable for extended travel. The only small downside is that the large size can be slightly bulky to handle when installing alone, but the added space and security easily make up for it. Coming in at number 3 is the Sailnovo Rooftop Cargo Carrier. This cargo bag is designed with high-density waterproof material and reinforced stitching to provide reliable protection during travel. It offers a large storage capacity suitable for suitcases, tents, sleeping bags, and more. The Sailnovo carrier features adjustable heavy-duty straps, door hooks for vehicles without roof racks, and a waterproof zipper system with protective flaps to guard against moisture. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. The Sailnovo model strikes a great balance between capacity and ease of use. It's especially well-suited for drivers who frequently take weekend getaways or outdoor trips and need dependable extra storage. The material feels tough enough to handle changing weather conditions, and installation is straightforward even for first-time users. It performs well on highways with minimal shifting when secured properly. One minor drawback is that careful packing is important to maintain an even shape, but overall it's a dependable and practical option. At number 2, we have the RoofPax XXL 28 cubic feet Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. This extra-large carrier provides 28 cubic feet of storage space, making it ideal for large families or extended road trips. It is constructed from heavy-duty, waterproof material with welded seams and a double-coated design for enhanced durability. The RoofPax XXL includes reinforced straps, door hooks, and is designed to work with vehicles both with and without roof racks. It features a heavy-duty zipper with protective flaps to help keep water out and secure your belongings during travel. In terms of sheer capacity, the RoofPax XXL is a powerhouse. If you've ever struggled to fit everyone's luggage into one vehicle, this carrier can be a game-changer. It's perfect for cross-country road trips, camping adventures, or transporting bulky gear. The robust materials and reinforced construction give it a premium feel that inspires confidence on long highway drives. The only small drawback is that its large size may slightly impact fuel efficiency, but for the space you gain, it's absolutely worth it. Finally, at number 1, we have the MaxxHaul 70209 Soft Shell Cargo Carrier Bag. This soft shell rooftop cargo carrier is designed to provide expanded storage capacity for vehicles during travel. It features durable, weather-resistant construction intended to protect luggage and cargo from the elements. The bag includes multiple attachment straps for secure mounting and is built to accommodate a wide range of items, making it suitable for road trips, camping, and family vacations. Its flexible design allows it to be folded and stored compactly when not in use. What makes the MaxxHaul 70209 take the top spot is its combination of durability, ease of installation, and overall reliability. It's a trusted choice for drivers who want a straightforward, no-nonsense cargo solution that simply works. The straps secure tightly, the material holds up well under various weather conditions, and it provides excellent additional storage without requiring a hard cargo box. It's ideal for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who regularly needs extra space. The only minor downside is that, as a soft-shell design, it doesn't offer the rigid structure of hard cargo boxes. But for most travelers, the flexibility is actually an advantage. There you have it, the top 5 roof cargo carriers for long trips. Each of these options offers extra storage, weather protection, and the freedom to pack everything you need without cramming your cabin full of bags. Whether you're looking for maximum capacity, added security features, or a budget-friendly solution, there's a carrier here that fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure you subscribe for more in-depth automotive gear breakdowns. Check the links in the description for the best deals available right now, and let me know in the comments which one you'd trust for your next adventure. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.